Hello today. Let's talk about your belt tensioners. The belt tensioners works reversible and pyrotechnic. We have two of them. The seat belt are automatically matched to the occupant's profile after we drive off. This will happen after a certain time or when we reach a certain speed. To deactivate the automatic belt tensioner, we are going to select in the infotainment system menu button. Then, of course, we have the car, left control button, vehicle settings, seats, driver's seat or passenger seat, auto belt tensioners. Then this seat belt can be tensioned reversibly certain situations, of course, and the seat belt can also be tensioned reversibly in a light collision. And we have pyrotechnic belt tensioners. The seat belts with the pyrotechnic belt tensioners are tensioned automatically in several collisions, depending on the circumstances. This helps to reduce the forward motion of the occupants. Fast activation of the belt tensioners is possible. Any work on the tensioner systems or removal on the installation of the system components for other repairs must be performed by a qualified workshop. And the pyrotechnic system can only be activated once. If the pyrotechnic belt tensioners have been activated at any time, the system must be replaced. And some smoke may be released when the pyrotechnic belt tensioners are activated. This does not mean there isn't fire in the vehicle, of course. The relevant safety requirements must be observed when the vehicle or a component of the systems are scrapped. Our authorized dealer is familiar with these regulations and will be pleased to pass off the information to us. And of course, this system, the belt tensioners, will make us live longer while we are driving better. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you on my channel. Sun.